Hi, this is Raghavarshini and now we are going to see about half adder and full adder experiment in digital system design. Aim of the experiment is to study about half adder and full adder and verify its truth table. Procedure for the experiments are: connections are given as per circuit diagram, switch on the digital lab trainer kit, inputs are given using the toggle switch, observe the output and verify the truth table. Now, before doing the experiment, let us get know about what is half adder and full adder. First of all, what is adder? Adder in electronics, adder is digital circuit that performs addition of numbers. In modern computer, adder reside in the arithmetic logic unit. Adders are important not only in the computer but also in many types of digital system in which the numeric data are processed. Types of adder: half adder and full adder. Now let's see about full adder. The full adder accepts two input bits and an input carry and generates some output and output carry. The full adder circuit adds three 1-bit binary numbers and outputs two 1-bit binary number, a sum and a carry. The full adder is usually a component in a cascade of adders which add 8, 6, 32, etc. binary numbers. If you look closely, you will see the full adder is simply two half adders joined by an OR gate. We can implement a full adder circuit with the help of two half adder circuit. The first half adder will be used to add A and B to produce a partial sum. The second half adder logic can be used to add sin to the sum produced by the first half adder to get the final yes output. If any of the half adder logic produces a carry, there will be an output carry. Thus, COUT will be an OR count of the half adder carry outputs. Now I'll do the experiment in online in a website called logic.ly. half adder. The half adder accepts two binary digits on its input and produces two binary digit outputs, a sum bit and a carry bit. The half adder is an example of a simple functional digital circuit built from two logic gates. The half adder adds to one bit binary numbers AB. The output is the sum of the two bits S and the carry C. Note that how the same two inputs are directed to different gates. The inputs to the XOR gate are also the inputs to the AND gate. The input wires to the XOR gate are tied to the input wires of the AND gate. Thus, when voltage is applied, the A input of the XOR gate, the A input to the AND gate receives the same voltage. And here is the truth table of the half adder full adder. Now I'll do the experiment in online in a website called logical.ly. And the result of our experiment is the combinational circuit for adder is designed and implemented and the output is verified.